Hey guys, let's pack my lunch with me for the week. So in August, I decided that I am going to meal prep weekly and bring my lunch to work. So I'm posting this video as accountability that I'm going to meal prep every week, pack my lunch. So on the menu today, I made some rice and peas. To get accurate measurements, what I did was to use a measuring cup, a 1 cup measuring cup, to get 1 cup of rice in each bowl. Then I'm going to add a few pieces of stewed beef that I made, along with some stir-fry string bean and carrots. And I also add some more veggies, so I made some raw veg, so cabbage and the carrot to go on the side. And with this meal that I am doing, I am going to drink water. So we're going to unbake the back. And we're drinking some water. So each meal will have a bottle of water. So yeah, that's my meal prep for the week. And also, if you're a person that meal prep on a regular, just leave a comment down below and let me know what are some of the items that you meal prep on a weekly basis. And what are your thoughts on meal prepping? Does it make your life a bit easier, or you don't have the time to meal prep? But for me personally, what I realize is that meal prepping weekly, it makes my life a little bit easier because I do not have to get up in the morning and think about what I'm going to eat for lunch, because I already made plans for the week and have my lunch. I just grab one of my dishes along with my bottle of water, and that keep me for the day. Yeah, so it makes my life a little bit easier. And I also bought this dish, if you're wondering, at a Chinese supermarket. So these dishes are very pretty common, you can find them everywhere. Yes, so guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this video. And if you meal prep on a weekly basis, let me know in the comment section below.